Overflow Woodworking here with the video, and we're going to be unboxing a pack of veneers made from Constantine, which is a company established in 1812 out of the Bronx. So I'm going to go through some of the patterns that I thought were the coolest. So first we have number 72, which is rosewood, and this is from India. So it has a vertical streaks going down. It has purplish tint, purple and black, and it has a little bit of a shine to it. So next we have number 26, which is eucalyptus, and this one has a little curly action to it, and this one is from Australia. Next we have engrave, which has a little curly to it, similar to the eucalyptus, and this one's from the United States. Next we have number 26, and this is gumwood. This is also from the United States. It has a cool little, has a different color pattern to it, as you can see there. It has the different colors. Next we have number 32. It has kind of a matte finish to it, and this one is oak burl. This is from the United States. You can see on here it has the different color tints there. Next we have number 34. This is lacewood, and this is from Australia. This one has a cool pattern to it, and it has a little shiny tint to it. Next is number 49. We have curly maple. Curly maple is one of my favorites. It's got it's an off-white color with some curl to it. Next we have number 50. This is bird's eye maple. So it's very similar to the curly, but it does have little dots in it. As you can see here, it has little dots that make it the bird's eye. They almost look like little knots. Next we have number 53. This is movingui. This is from West Africa. This has a yellowish tint, most similar to a poplar. Next we have number 62. This is padauk, and it is from India. As you can see, the names are because of where the wood is from. This one has an orangish red tint, and it has some sparkles in it. Next we have number 64. This is pearwood, and this is from Europe. It's a very soft wood, and has a cool orangish tint to it. Actually, it looks like the color of a pear. Next is number 78. This is a very cool pattern, and this is sapele, and this is from Africa. So same color as mahogany or walnut. Next we have number 100. This is wenge, and this is from Brazil. So this wenge, it has a similar grain to an oak, where you could see the streaks and you could see the little divots in it, but it's got a dark, very dark color to it. Next we have number 101. This is zebra wood. Zebra wood is one of my favorites. It has very distinct colors and has a very cool grain to it. Next we have number 43. This is a very curly piece of wood, and this is fiddlebook, and this is fiddlebook mahogany, and this is from Africa. It's a very cool pattern on this one. Number 67, we have purple heart. Purple heart is from Europe. Very soft wood, and has a very cool and unique color to it. Next we have number 86. This one's a little shiny, and this is called striped ticitola, and this is from Africa. So a very cool pattern here, and a little shiny. And last but not least, we have number 8. Number 8 is beech, and this is from the United States. This is similar to the zebra wood in its pattern, but it does have a little shine to it, and very unique colors. So that's all for my unpacking. Hope you enjoyed this video.